Welcome to Forestry Tech, where mud, steep inclines, and lost control combine to create a real nightmare. Tractors are unforgiving of mistakes, and we're about to see that firsthand. Let's dive in. Oh my gosh! Just a split second away from disaster, everything happened in the blink of an eye. All right, gearheads. What do you think caused that boom? Timing advance? Lean mix? Drop your theories below. I'm curious what y'all think. It's good that nothing happened to these working people, that no one got hurt. Ever seen a runaway wheel try to dance? Technically, there's a fix for that. First move, hit that independent brake, freeze the motion. Next up, if it still won't sit still, wedge something solid under the right wheel and let the ground do the rest. Dang, that was close. Honestly, I'm just glad the dude's okay.
Oh, yeah.
Snow-covered roads significantly increase the risk of vehicular incidents. In this particular case, it's fortunate that the outcome was minimal and no serious damage occurred. You can see right from the start that things aren't going well. It gave up before it even started. Classic Monday mood.
Hello?
You're watching the unstoppable force of John Deere Pro Stock Tractor pulling Roar to life. first try didn't even make the silo flinch, so they brought in the beast, a John Deere 4760. Time to knock this giant down the hard way. Lord have mercy, that's one barkin' good operator. Perform a complete safety check before operating your vehicle. It's a critical step to prevent dangerous incidents while on the road. The Zetor 5320 and Ursus C360 are stuck. Don't worry, just bring in the John Deere and everything will be solved. I'm a Deere fan. That quad track had more traction. Then the Deere. Still, them quads are pretty sweet tractors.
Like nothing. I think it got pulled.
This guy's drifting a tractor like he's in Fast and Furious. Farm edition. That rear axle's crying for mercy.
Вот этот дрифт на тракторе. Трактористы снега.
You're looking at a Fendt 936 on row crop duals doing a heavy-duty pull on a Case 2 388 stuck in a soaked rice paddock in South New South Wales. The soil saturation's off the charts. Zoom in and you'll see. This isn't just wet dirt, it's saturated, gluey clay. It's a reminder of just how brutal rice farming terrain can get.
Оперный театр.
The K700 broke in half, but it's still running. That could only happen in Russia.
Я не матерюсь. А как рулить-то, бро? Рулить попробуй! Это пиздец. В кошмаре каком-то.
Flashback unlocked. Let's jump straight into the dirt-splattered action of Shalmanovich 2012. One of the wildest tractor trials ever held on July 14th, full of torque, twists, and tradition. That's a clear case of reckless driving. In most US states, swerving into another lane like that could easily earn you a citation, or worse, a suspended license. When a John Deere is pushed to the edge in a pulling competition, physics don't lie. The front lifts because the rear axles take on all that torque. It's a textbook display of traction load shift. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind, and a 0 if it didn't quite impress you. Your support fuels our creative fire. Everyone's talking about the crash, but here's the twist. Do you know what really flipped that tractor?
Еще, давай. Here's the race.
On paper, the Case STX 535's got more raw horsepower, 535 horsepower versus 530 horsepower on the Deere. But track design and weight distribution might just level the field. This is going to be closer than folks think. Oops. In cartoons, cars drive like that too. When you see a tractor pulling a Kamaz, you're witnessing raw torque at work.